Sometimes we get really nervous and all of a sudden it feels like the train's not gonna stop. Train's going, and then you're getting more and more nervous and the breathing is getting worse and worse. You've ever been there where it's like you just can't catch your breath? Now I'm really out of breath. You are allowed to stop, like when you practice. And if you feel nervous ever, stop yourself, pause, take a deep breath through your nose. You will feel like it's forever, but it's literally like a second or two. But if you keep going, that train doesn't stop and you keep running out of breath and then you're like out of breath and everyone's uncomfortable. And I wanna make sure that you know that you can be empowered enough to just stop for a second, take a deep breath, and then go. People do it all the time and you don't even notice it. So if that ever happens again, you're gonna stop, take a deep breath, and then answer it or continue your answer. You are totally allowed to breathe. And then think about some of the things you can do on a daily basis that are gonna help you bring down that like anxious energy. You know what you're doing that you might be able to just alter a little bit so you have less inflammation and less anxiety. The brain inflammation does lead to anxiousness. So think about what you can cut out of your diet. It'll make life a lot easier if you just feel a lot calmer.